Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery of a MacBook Air that is 2015 year. This is model A1466. So I had this computer since 16, and it just can't really turn on without the power adapter now. So I went ahead and got from Amazon a new battery here. Make sure you get the right one. And it comes with these two special screwdrivers. So what's annoying about Apple is that they have these screws that do not work with just your traditional screwdriver. So you need a special kind that, if I don't know if you can see, it looks almost like an octagonal shape that you would need. And you need both screwdrivers actually. So one is for the outer, and then once you take it apart, then there's the screws that's in batteries that requires it's a little bit smaller, so you need the other one. So get the battery that comes with screws, and then you kind of start with these outer screws right here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws, and you just grab this one and you just unscrew each one. I went ahead and unscrewed it already, but it kind of looks like that. Kind of see it's very small. Okay, so there's 10 of them, and then what you do is you open up the case, and boom, that is what it looks like inside. And this is the battery right here, and the 4 rectangular thing. And you can see that there's also screws right here. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, actually 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what you do is you take the other screw and you go ahead and unscrew them. I also went ahead and unscrewed them already. So this is what the screw looks like. Okay. Make sure you put the screw, they're very small, so you should put it somewhere where you can see them, and also in the order where you unscrew it. So, because they kind of, some are long, some are short, so you gotta make sure that you're putting in the right one. And then you had to unplug this part right here that's kind of connected to your mainframe. You unplugged it, there's a little tab that you can pull, and you kind of just use your finger to pull out the battery like that. Boom. Boom. And you set it aside. And be careful, you're working with lithium battery here. So, and then you grab the new battery here. Right here, and you just set it. You kind of have to connect this first in there. There it is. Connected. Boom.
Okay. Plastic. It's actually not static, it's glue.
And then you tear off the plastic here. Alright, and then you screw in the screws. So they're nice and tight. All right. And then you put this case on. And you screw in the rest. There's quite a lot of screws here.